Mommy will now. So I'll
Yeah.
just start painting over here. I know it's looking good. And
Yeah.
I'm extremely happy, very proud to do this. It's looking so
Hmm.
good. Thank you so much. She's working really hard. I'll just summarize. 1 point perspective is very important. Color theory is important and blending is important. Hi everyone, my name is Sakshi. Welcome to my art show, Tell Your Art by Sakshi, Season 1, Episode 6. And today we are going to learn how to paint a beautiful still life with acrylic medium. Let's go. Hi, how are you? I want to tell you something. Yesterday when I was painting Jirvera, Mama just loved it. She was like, this is so
nice.
good. She was just absolutely amazed how I did it. But after saying all the compliments, she said, "बीच में अगर blue होता तो क्या?" Mommy भी ना. I'm so happy that she loved. Slowly and steadily, everyone will like your painting, and you will just see the magic. Yes, I know that she will love all my painting. She's actually fond of art, See, today I'll teach you something, from which everyone will be amazed.
I
and
am
will
very
just
excited
love
to
it.
become a good artist.
Yeah, it's just very simple. It's a blend of perspective,
All right.
color theory,
Okay.
and blending. And it looks so good and
Got it.
amazing. You will be amazed.
Okay.
Let's start. Before we start, we need to make sure that we do the
Okay.
outlining really well.
Getting it.
So, somewhat in the center. Okay. It's okay, a little here and there is okay. We will make
Getting it.
a bit more up.
Yeah.
We will make the steeping line. Once we are done, we will leave some space.
Okay.
We'll go two
Getting it.
sections. All right, now.
Yeah.
So, in 1 point perspective, we take one point
Okay.
somewhat here in the center,
Getting it.
like this.
Yeah.
Okay, a very small dot. Now I'll be I'll be keeping this
Getting it.
from this
Yeah.
to here, and now I'll be making dots at 2 centimeter each. That means 2,
Okay.
4, 6,
Getting it.
8, 10,
Yeah.
12, 14, 16, 18, 20,
Okay.
22,
Getting it.
24, 26,
Yeah.
28, 30. Okay, now we got equidistant dots. Okay? Now in 1
Getting
point
it.
perspective, we did
Yeah.
this in one of the session, right? If you remember when we did the scenery painting,
Okay.
yeah, we used this to
Getting
make a
it.
bridge. Yeah, so we'll use the same
Yeah.
thing to do it. Okay, we got it. Now we will simply take this dot,
Okay.
connect this two,
Getting it.
and then do it. Okay, we
Yeah.
will do it for all of them. I connected all the dots. Now if you can see that what I did, I
Okay.
just extended straight
Getting
down.
it.
So what you have to do is
Yeah.
take this point and then go straight down. Got it? You got a
Okay.
3D table
Getting
and a tablecloth. You got it? It was so
Yeah.
easy, right?
Oh, so you're making a tablecloth, right?
Exactly. I agree. Yeah.
Getting
All
it.
right. So now we have to plan how we will place an orange here. Okay. So I don't want to make like a perfect
Getting
circle for the orange because it's never a perfect circle. All right. Now see.
Okay.
There's one stalk.
Getting
going on. I can also name. This
Yeah.
is a good one. Now, as we have learned that it's very important that from where the light
Getting
source
it.
is coming, right? I'll place
Yeah.
my light source here. So the lighter area will be here and the darker area will be here. I hope
Getting
it's
it.
clear, right? Okay, so
Yeah.
now you need to, we will first do the background,
Okay.
then we will do this, and
Getting
then we will
it.
do this. So things go well.
Yeah.
Let's get started. First we'll do the background. See, the main highlight over here
Okay.
we are supposed to keep
Getting
for the
it.
orange and the table and the cloth,
Yeah.
not the background. So we'll go for a very subtle background. So I'm taking a lot of
Getting
white
it.
and a very teeny tiny bit
Yeah.
of burnt sienna. I'll just take a little water and I will this time. As I said that this side
Getting
will
it.
be slightly darker. So I'll
Yeah.
just start painting over here.
Okay. Getting it.
See,
Yeah.
if you need this nice finishing, then you have to take less water. Don't take too
Okay.
much of do not
Getting
take
it.
too much of water, and do not even
Yeah.
take too much of color. That will not give you a good look. Now we are done with it. It took me
Okay.
really long time to
Getting
do this.
it.
Okay, that's why I did not record it,
Yeah.
or else this video will get really big. Okay, we
But
got
why
it.
only upper stripes? The
yeah.
lower stripes we can also
For this
color,
one?
right? It's the extension of the
No,
same
see.
cloth. So
I know this is the same extension, but as the light is
Okay.
falling from the top,
Getting
in the
it.
bottom, it's not the same amount of
Yeah.
light reaching on the both sides. Okay, there is more light on the top and there is less light in the bottom.
Okay.
So because of that,
Getting it.
we are going to add a little complementary color here, and we will paint. So for green, we'll take a little pink
Okay.
or red
Getting it.
and mix and do it. You will get like a brownish green. For pink, we will take a little green and we will mix and we will color this. Okay? We
Okay.
have to take a very teeny tiny
Getting
bit.
it.
Okay, then you
Yeah.
will mix it and you will color this. Got it? Why
Okay.
we are doing this?
Getting
I
it.
hope you have seen my episode 1. Over
Yeah.
there we did a lemon. Over there also we have used the same concept. If you're interested to know how to paint a beautiful lemon, check
Getting
my
it.
episode 1. Alright,
Yeah.
let's start now. So you're going to take your flat brush and then you will do this. I have mixed a teeny
Okay.
tiny bit of this
Getting
mint green to my pink, and I got my shadow color. I will just show you how it looks like. See? Can you see it's little bit dull as
Getting
the
it.
light is not reaching there. I'm just showing you
Yeah.
the color, how it will look like. You're not supposed to mix a lot, you just have to mix a very little bit. Got it?
Okay.
Now as we are
Getting
done with this bottom, see for the green
Yeah.
I mix a little pink and I did it. It's a complementary color, that's why I use that color. Okay.
Okay.
So for the orange, we
Getting
need 3 colors, the same way what we used in the lemon. Orange, orange plus white, orange plus a little bit of blue, because the complementary color of orange
Getting
is
it.
blue.
Yeah. Okay. Getting it. Yeah.
Now I will take another brush, okay? Now we are done with it.
Getting it.
So I hope it's
Yeah.
looking nice. Okay.
It's a good combo. I agree.
Got it. So see, the shadow color, base color, white, and it's done. We'll add a little bit of highlight little later. See, we are done with this much. It's looking
I know,
nice.
it's looking good.
I
Even
can
I'm
actually
loving it.
feel that turn
Thank
of
you.
the table. So,
It's
what we
looking
are going to do
amazing.
is, we are going to take a liner brush and a green color. Very
Okay.
carefully.
Getting it.
Okay,
Yeah.
like this. I hope you all are liking it. Do subscribe my channel if you are
Okay.
liking it, and
Getting
do
it.
subscribe my channel if you want to learn more tutorials
Yeah.
like this. Okay. There's a reason actually why I'm not covering it. You will understand. Once this is
Okay.
dried, now only then we can proceed.
Getting it.
Okay, so now
Yeah.
we will take the same green. We'll mix a little white and a little yellow. Okay, you will get this type
Okay.
of green. Now what we will do, just watch the magic
Okay.
carefully. I
Getting
hope you like this video, and
Yeah.
I'm extremely happy and very proud to do this. It's looking so good,
Okay.
I hope you
Getting it.
understood like whatever you were supposed to do.
This is looking amazing.
I hope you understood everything.
I'm going
right?
to watch the full video again, so I don't
Okay,
miss
yeah.
any point.
Yes, I know it's looking very
I
nice.
really loved it.
See, oh, you can see my mistake. I can't erase it. It's okay. See,
Okay.
you all have to
Getting
take
it.
care that you go
Yeah.
slow. You give nice time to get it dry, or else what will happen that it will turn into a mess.
Okay.
Once this was dry, only then
Getting
I
it.
went for this part. Okay, so you all have to
Yeah.
take care of that thing. Yeah, I know it's looking really nice. See, the more time you
Okay.
spend with art, it
Getting
will
it.
automatically start guiding you back. Okay,
Yeah.
and intuitively you will understand how it works, what to do and what not to do. All right, so you just have to spend more and more time and keep on
Getting it.
practicing to get better. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe her channel. She's working really hard to make us a better artist. So sweet of you. Bye-bye. God bless you. Take
Yeah.
care. So now we are done with this beautiful painting. See, basically in this painting, I'll just summarize. One point perspective is very important, color theory is important, and blending is important. We learned these three techniques today. So make sure you practice this well and complete it. And if you have any doubt regarding this painting, you can drop it in the comment box. I'll surely tell you. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and like this video and share it with your friends. Bye bye. Take care.